So there's one kind of tort called strict liability. It's very cool, and you can use this tort, a strict liability tort, as it pertains to the tow truck driver who takes your car because a cop told him to. Now, the strict liability tort in question is called conversion.
Okay, so according to Rich Iverson, under California state law, it's possible to sue tow truck companies for towing your car under police orders. He claims that it's unlawful conversion. Now, this is Weldon v. Conley, a 2015 California case, which discusses this specific claim of conversion. Quote, Weldon claims that by towing away his vans, the towing defendants committed theft or conversion. Towing defendants argue that they cannot be liable for theft or conversion because they never wrongfully possessed Weldon's vehicle. Rather, they towed it at the apparently valid commands of Officer Conley, a City of Fresno police officer. Quote, under facts similar to the instant case, a California appellate court found that a towing company's possession of a vehicle was only at the lawful instruction of a police officer, thus there could be no liability for conversion. In other analogous cases, the Ninth Circuit has held that an owner of a towed vehicle does not have a state law conversion claim against a towing company because the automobile was properly towed. See Schofield v. City of Hillsborough. So no, as far as the state of California is concerned, you cannot sue a towing company for towing your car after a police officer calls a towing company to tow your car. In this particular case, this guy's vehicle was towed because he was driving on a suspended license, and the court actually goes further than that. Quote, it is unquestionably reasonable for towing defendants who have believed that the command to tow the vehicle came from a valid law enforcement agency, see Tarantino. As in Tarantino, the towing defendants cannot be held liable for complying with an order that was valid on its face, even if that order is later found to be unconstitutional. Finding that a towing company could not be found liable for conversion if complying with an order that was valid on its face, reasoning that the California Supreme Court, blah, blah, blah. So even if the order to tow your car was unconstitutional, it was wrong, you still cannot sue the towing company. What Rich Iverson is claiming, that you can sue the towing company if the police call the towing company, is false. You cannot successfully sue a towing company for conversion.
But is there anything in the public record with that is already out there?
Yeah.
Already being shared.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I get. Yeah, sure. Okay. Like here's my last case. Okay, my last case, I can give you the case number, but I'm not gonna. And I typed up a letter to the head court clerk of the entire court system in Santa Clara County. Yeah, that's where the trial took place. So the deal took place. So you can check it out there if you want to look around. The reason I wanted to do that was because I wanted a clear victory. Within a month, I got the order signed by the presiding judge dismissing my case in the interest of justice with prejudice.
Okay, so in the audio, you can hear Rich claim that this was a win. Now, this is the Santa Clara Superior Court website, and this is the court case that Rich was talking about. As we can see, Rich was the plaintiff. He was suing the city of San Jose and Motorboat Buddy Company, which is a towing company. So presumably, this is the company that towed his car when he got busted for driving without a license. So in other words, when this case was dismissed with prejudice, it means that he lost. He was trying to get money off the towing company, and now, because it's dismissed, it means he won't get paid. He would need a judgment in his favor to claim that it was a win. But he's on audio lying about it and making it look like he actually won the case. Now, the other ironic thing here is that he's giving advice to people on how you can successfully, quote-unquote, sue towing companies, when in reality, he has tried to sue towing companies in California and lost. So this is just an incredible level of dishonesty. He's not just lying about the results of his court case, but he's also lying about the state of law and giving people legal advice, which is wrong. If a cop calls a towing company to tow your car, you cannot sue them in the state of California for doing that, period. And of course, the danger here is that somebody will listen to this guy and go out there and try to drive without a license or drive without insurance, get his car impounded, get towed. He'll try to sue the towing company and lose. He'll try to sue the police and lose. And that's the best case scenario. The worst case scenario is you get shot because you're arguing and fighting with people that have guns and can use them, are allowed to legally use them.